Hello everyone, this is MD Tech here with another tutorial. Today I will be showing how to add a secondary clock on your Windows 10 computer. Now this is not a new feature in Windows, but it's not one that is very well known, and the process of getting the secondary clock is a little bit different in Windows 10, so that's why I'm making a tutorial about it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go head over to the bottom right hand corner of the screen where the date and time are. Click on that and then select date and time settings. Scroll down. Under related settings, select add clocks for different time zones. Now select show this clock. Select any time zone that you wish to be displayed alongside your local time. Enter any display name to better connect the time zone with a specific location. Then click apply and OK. If we close out of this, if we hover over our date and time, we can see our local time alongside our secondary time zone listed. And if we click on our date and time, we see that our secondary time zone's time is listed up on the top of the calendar here. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, guys. Take them as you wish, and I will see you in the next tutorial.